You might have seen this video and you're probably wondering, what exactly is this thingy? Meet the Nervoscope. It's pretty much a heat reader we use on your spine, and if you see here, it says thermal detection. Essentially, when we run this up and down your spine, we're looking at heat patterns due to inflammation. If we were to hold this left side, you see it goes all the way left, similarly to the right on the right side. When we run this down your spine, both probes are in contact at the same time. When it makes a big jump towards one side, it gives us an indication that this left side is particularly warmer than the right side, and we should probably pay more attention to this. Don't forget to like and follow for more information.